Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video I would like to talk about horizontal translations. Now look, let's start with something that we know very well, a quadratic. This is x squared, the original parabola. Look, as I put this on 2 here, it's x minus 2 squared, and it will be moved to the right by 2 units. As I go over here, for example, minus 3, it will be moved to the left by 3 units. So it's x plus 3 squared. Okay, let's switch this off. I think this should be pretty clear. And let's switch on sine and cosine. Let's put this back to 0 first. So here, this should be your sine function. Now, as I move this to 2, everything will move by 2 units. Look at this point here. I go back to 0. It's going through 0. That's the sine function. As I subtract 2, look, sine x minus 2, everything moves to the right, like it does for the parabola. As I move to, for example, minus 1, which makes it x plus 1 squared, and here sine plus 1, everything will be moved to the right, to the left. Look, it starts at minus 1 now. So it's exactly the same thing as your parabola. You add 1 and then you square it, so it will be moved to the left. You subtract 2, for example, and then you square it, it will be moved to the right. It does the same thing for your sine. It will start here now. Can you see that? Let's go back to 0 and switch this off for the moment. Do it with the cosine. Look, cosine starts here at 0, 1 if you want to. This is 1 period length. Now, as you go to 2, this will go to 2. Well, if you want to have a look at your parabola, look, this starting point goes to 2. As I go to minus 1 here, that means I have to add 1. Everything will be translated to the left. It's the same thing again, like your parabola. So I hope it wasn't too difficult, and we can say horizontal translation done.